Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup look for dry skin. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you're notified every single time I post. Now, if you're interested in my makeup routine for dry skin, keep on watching. Okay, so I've already done my brows off camera. I do have a brow tutorial if you guys are interested, or if you guys want a updated brow tutorial, please let me know down in the comments below. So right now what I'm going to do is like prep my lips, more like moisturize my lips because they are also dry. So usually I will use my chapstick, but I don't see like my Carmex anywhere on my table. So I'm going to be using the Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm from Fenty Beauty. This is like a travel sized one. I'm going to be using it to moisturize my lips while I do the rest of my face. So now to prime my face, I'm going to be using Milk's Hydro Grip Primer. So it's this one right here. So I like this one because it is hydrating and it does grip my makeup. So like my makeup lasts all day and my face doesn't feel like it's dying for air underneath or like for water basically. So it's really good for my dry skin. And since I'm not going anywhere today, or I haven't went anywhere today, I haven't put on any sunscreen because I'm going to be in the house. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown Skinless Weightless Foundation. So it's this right here. N070 Neutral Golden. I love this one. I don't really like the hydrating foundations just because they come off really oily and like they don't last as long. So I usually just try to do like a soft matte with a very hydrating primer. So another reason why I love this foundation is because it is a full coverage foundation. I don't know if you guys saw, but I do have some like hyperpigmentation on my cheeks because, you know, my skin has been breaking out because I haven't been taking care of it the way I should be. But I'm about to be back on it, so I'm not even worried about that. But I do like that this is a full coverage foundation, right? So for concealer, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer right here. And this is in the color Warm Honey. I'm gonna be trying a new way to highlight. So it's like you do the inside of your eye like here. If you wanna like lift up your eyes, you do the inside of your eye like that, and then the outer corner as well. You don't do like the whole Kim Kardashian V thing under your eye. We don't do that no more. But we don't know yet. I haven't tried it, so I'm a little scared. Then I'm gonna just highlight my face the way I would regularly do it anyway. I'm going to be using a clean, damp beauty blender to blend all of this out. If you guys want to see how I keep my beauty blenders clean and my makeup brushes clean, let me know down in the comments as well. So I like the way that the concealer looks right now. I do feel like it has my eyes like, you know, lifted and brighter, not really like drooping because the focus of the concealer is not down on my cheeks, it's actually up here, going upwards, not down here. So we happy with that. So now to contour, I'm going to be using a matchstick from Fenty Beauty, just this one right here. And it is in the color Truffle. So I like this matchstick a lot because it's really creamy. And I personally feel like a little goes a long way. So I'm not gonna overdo it, but I am gonna get my forehead a bit because it's looking a little big today. Now I'm just going to blend that out as well. Go in with another brush just to blend in my contour some more because I feel like it does look a little harsh in some places. So I'm just gonna smooth it out. So I'm just gonna go in and do a little bit of baking with my Fenty Beauty setting powder. This is in the color Banana. So while I bake, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and my eyelashes. I do have a beginner eyelash tutorial. If you guys are interested, I will link it up in the cards and down in the description box below. So I'm just going to be using my NYX matte eyeliner. It's this one right here, and it is in the color, it's just black. It's a black eyeliner. You can use whichever one you like. Now that my eyeliner and lashes are done, I'm just going to wipe off my baking powder and keep on going. I know a lot of you are probably like, this is a lot of powder for somebody who has dry skin, but I really do not like the dewy look. I am more of a matte face type of person, so I try to use not as much powder, but like I still do have to powder it just so that, you know. And then to bronze, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Cappuccino. Now I know y'all gonna think I'm a little crazy, but I'm gonna set my entire face with another powder. It is the Fit Me powder from Maybelline in the color 330 Toffee Caramel. So now I'm going to be using blush. It's just like a little tester blush from NARS. So this one is in the color Dolce Vita. I love this one because I think it really complements my skin tone. So this is it right here. Just to give my face a little bit of life, you know. And now for highlight, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's Kilowatt Highlight in the color How Many Carats. This one is my absolute favorite highlighter. Like, it gives me life, y'all. It gives me life. It's subtle, but it's so pretty when the light hits it. So before I do lipstick or anything like that, I actually like to set my face with a setting spray. My hair looks a little crazy right now. I was playing around with it while my camera cooled down. So I usually use a Max Fix Plus just because it's not a mattifying setting spray. But I've been using something else lately and I really like it. It's actually the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So it's not a matte setting spray either. It's kind of like the Matte Fix Plus, but this one's just continuous setting, like continuous spray, instead of me having to like do like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pumps. And I feel like it doesn't have my face looking powdery or anything like that. It has my face looking all uniform and unison, like this is my skin. So I like to let that dry. I want to put a little more on this side of my face though. So then after I do that, I like to go in with mascara. So I'm going to be using the Milk mascara. It's this one right here. And I'm just going to do my bottom lashes just so it can have a little life. And then for my lips have been, my lips have already been prepped, absorbing all the good moisture from the Fenty lip balm. And I'm gonna go in with my brown lip liner from NYX, and I'm just going to line my lips. So lately I've been loving the lip liner and lip gloss combo. So I'm just going to be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream in the color Fenty Glow. I also have a review and demo on these gloss bomb creams on my channel. So it's going to be up in the cards and down in the description box below. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to go, finesse my hair, change my outfit, and I will be back. Okay guys, so I am back. I just switched my shirt and finessed my headband wig. If you guys are interested, this hair is from My Shiny Wigs, and I do have a review/demo video, so I will put that up in the cards and down in the description box below. So go ahead and check that out. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. Also, let me know down in the comments what other videos you would like to see from me. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you're notified every single time I post. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
I heard they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah.